Hello, I'm the Bento Buster, a Kiwi in Japan, and today we're making Tako no Karaage, which I guess in English is Deep Fried Octopus. I'm sure you're familiar with tori no Karaage, which is Japanese fried chicken. Well guys, this is the octopus version. Now of course you may be asking yourself, where can I get some octopus from? Well the short answer is, in my case, here. But in your case, I don't know. In a Japanese supermarket, octopus come like this. It's been cleaned and boiled and nicely presented. And most of these packs have a wee sachet of wasabi inside them because they're ready to be eaten as is. But as I mentioned, I'm going to deep fry this, so I need something that I can cut into little pieces. Oh, and by the way, this is a squid and not an octopus. This stuff is too finely sliced. And this definitely is an octopus, it's wakame seaweed. Aha, now we're talking, this is the perfect tentacle. This is what I want. Now in some countries, octopus has been eaten as an aphrodisiac to improve the libido. So, how about that? Anyway, let's change tangent. Excuse me while I use my kitchen scissors to cut this into small pieces. And with a little magic of YouTube, ta-da! Bite-sized pieces of octopus. Alright, now that we have our pieces of octopus, it's time to marinate them. In goes 1 tablespoon of cooking sake, followed by 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Next, 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic. And that's all that you need. Now it's time to mix this all together and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Okay, the 15 minutes are up. Now I'm going to coat each piece of octopus in potato starch. And if you don't have any potato starch, cornstarch will do just fine. And when you're finished, it should look something like this. Okay, now it's time to fry them. Your oil should be about 170 degrees Celsius, and you want to fry them until they're golden and crispy. And when they're done, they should look something like this. Finally, transfer them to a wide tray and let them cool down. Okay, and here it is, Tako no Karaage, deep fried octopus. Well, to make this wasn't difficult at all. In fact, it was pretty easy. Now take a look at that, a piece of tentacle staring you straight in the face. Now, doesn't that look delicious? I tell you what, there's nothing better than deep fried suction cups. What am I talking about? Of course there is. Deep fried suction cups dipped in Kiwi mayonnaise. Delissimo. Now I know what you're thinking. The fact that it's an aphrodisiac is still playing on your mind, isn't it? Well, I can neither confirm or deny it. In fact, my lips are sealed. My advice is, do your own due diligence. Anyway, the next time you run out of chicken and you've got a ton of octopus in the fridge, why don't you make some of these? And who knows, it might put a little bit of a spring in your step. As always, thanks for watching. I'm the Bento Buster and I'll catch you next time.